Kissing and hope they cut us. Whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up. I wanna show you up. I wanna brag.
Okay, y'all. So I just got back from the grocery store. See, 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 see. Into it. Anyways. So, y'all know I hate, if y'all know me, y'all know I hate going into the grocery store, but I had to. Because I had to get some steak. Because when I'm leaving tonight, requires that. Then on top of that, so, y'all hear that? Running out of coconut water. So I had to get some more. But I had got the pineapple one. I think that's what I had last time. Then I had to get, y'all spent $50. I had to get some more mayonnaise, some sour cream, some Worcestershire sauce. If you know, you know. I had to get some sweet corn, some more garlic paste because I'm running out. But I got a red onion. I got some potatoes because so I also got some cheese. The one that I was looking for was not this. It was not this. It was not this. I could actually, I might be able to show you. I don't know. Nah, it's not on this one. It's on this one. But oh, I was supposed to get some more frozen mangoes, like the frozen mango pieces. So I mixed this coconut water and pineapple juice with some ice and some chopped mango pieces. Yeah, when I tell y'all that is the most refreshing drink. I was trying to find chopped watermelon pieces, but that was frozen, like in the bag frozen, but I couldn't find none. So I gave up on that journey and just started using the mangoes. And I would mix the drink with either this, white grape, or cranberry, or creme grape. And y'all, when I say it be hidden, that's what stops me from drinking so much soda. Because if y'all know, I drink Cokes and Pepsi. I was drinking them back to back, baby. Water where? Okay, so I started doing that instead and got my life right. Started drinking more water, and yeah, the best change I've ever made in my life because skin is glowing. Been dropping some inches. Okay. But yeah, I'm about to put these groceries up, put on some music on the TV, and get ready to start cooking because it's already 4:50. I'm 4:50, or is it 4:50? Oh, it's 4:32. I'm lying. I'm trying to eat dinner a little earlier because I plan on going out tonight because it's Saturday. Rob 49, he said it best. Good girls that stay inside get cheated on. So we got the glasses outside tonight. Yeah. So right now I'm about to make my drink real quick. And I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. We're gonna start with ice. Oh! Okay. Let me get some more ice. You ain't gotta put too much ice because the mangoes, the frozen mangoes, it's gonna be like cold for the drink as well. Like, I be putting a lot of mangoes in mine because afterwards I be eating them suckers. Y'all, they suck because they get so like they absorb the juice too, and it just be tasting so right. This is why I said I'm gonna have to get some more. Okay, so coconut water, pineapple juice, and then I'm gonna add this one today. So I always go with the coconut water first. You kind of gotta eyeball it, depending on like how much coconut water you want in there. I always do mine to like at least like right here, and then the rest will be juice, the pineapple juice, and then whatever other juice I decide to add in. Most people add in like another tart juice, like either cranberry or I'm gonna show y'all creme pomegranate. I tried this one with it the first time I tried this, and it was good because I had learned this from another girl on Instagram, and it was good. But I'm not really a tart juice type of girl, so I go with something that has like a little more sweetness into it. If I could find something that has like pomegranate and like another flavor, I would go for that. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to. Yeah, I be in a chokehold over this drink, okay? And I always get like a knife or a straw because I can't find my straw, so I always end up getting a knife. Hello. No. Yes, sir. The first thing you learn how to cook is bread. Oh my gosh, where's the top at? No, look at the top. I made a steak, potatoes, and steak, potatoes, and corn. So guys, that was the end of the video. The food was A1, delicious. Okay, this is my first time making that dish in particular. Like, I've always cooked with steak before, but that one, chef's kiss. It was really good. So I had got the recipe off of Facebook from another girl. I'm actually gonna show y'all the video from Facebook. But it was really good. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I recommend. Forgot to make it. And I mean, add a little spice to it. Like, I had forgot last night to make the mayo and sour cream sauce that go on it. So I ended up reheating it up and making the sauce with it, and it actually tastes really good. Okay, it was even better with the sauce. But yeah, I had kind of forgot to make the sauce last night, but definitely try it. It's definitely worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm on the red flash it, on the flash it, I'ma keep fly, bitch, I'ma flash it,